Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Anang Ma'ruf from class 5A PDSD with number presency 40. In this video, I will present a literature review of a journal. The topic of discussion is about scientific literacy with the title Implementation Movement of the Science Literacy at Elementary School. The journal that I review are research from 3 journals, including the Journal of Elementary School Thought and Development, the Journal of Islamic Basic Education, and the Journal Cakrawala Pendas. Immediately, I started the review according to the title in the PowerPoint, namely Implementation Movement of the Science Literacy in Elementary School. The first is the introduction. Referring to the complexity of competency that students must possess. This 21st century learning, there is a change in the learning paradigm, namely from the teaching paradigm to the learning paradigm. Therefore, a learning method is needed that can prepare students to have good competency and be literate in science and technology, able to think logically, critically, creatively, argue correctly, be able to communicate and collaborate. Scientific literacy, according to PASA, is defined as the capacity to use scientific knowledge to identify questions and to draw evidence-based conclusions in order to understand and help make decisions about the natural world and the changes made to it through human activity. Based on PASA, Program for International Student Assessment data, the scientific literacy ability of Indonesian students is still below the average when compared to the international average score, and in general is at the lowest measurement stage of PISA. Based on the result of the 20 and 18 program for international student in assessment or PASA study, which was launched in December 2019 in involved 12,098 students spread to 3,099 schools. These schools are spread across the territory of Indonesia, which are considered representative. The PISA measurement aim to evaluate the education system, especially in 3 main areas, namely mathematics, science, and literacy. Next is method. In this research, using method non-experimental quantitative approach with descriptive method and using qualitative method. Step by research is preparation, next implementation, and the last is conclusion. Data collection and subject of research is teacher and student in grades 4 of elementary school at Malang. Data collection using interview, observation, and documentation. And data collection next is the data is extracted by using multiple choice tests. Next is result and discussion. Based on the graphic, the implementation of scientific literacy in elementary school is carried out at the same floor, which is the first 50 minutes before entering class. The school literacy movement, or GLS, and strengthening character education, or PPK, lasted for 50 minutes before the lesson took place. When the literacy movement takes place, students prefer books with the theme of science. Students are more enthusiastic about science reading, such as Recycling Garbage, Insect Metamorphosis story about clean and healthy living, and Science and Encyclopedia. And result from research is number one, a reference book that the school has are 4,008 reading book with the theme of natural science and science, and 17,078 book in the form of story reading book with the theme of forest cultivation. Result number two is book owned by the school not only come from the education office, but also from donation and purchase from school. The school facility by providing reading books so that students increase their interest in reading. Result number three is supporting factor in the scientific literacy movement are human resource, class teacher, parent of student, principal, and school resident. Teacher as the spearhead in the implementation of literacy are required to be able to carry out their duties and roles to maximum. And the last result is facility available at the school library, reference to reading book at school, and reading corner. Based on the recent data, it also shows the library are one of the main supporters for carrying out literacy. Scientific literacy has an important role in science and technology. And the last is conclusion and limitation. Conclusion number one is the implementation of scientific literacy in grade 4 has been carried out. This has been proven by data in the form of 50 minutes scientific literacy activity before the lesson begins. Library visit schedule, number of library book reference, and city library visit schedule. Conclusion number two is factors supporting the implementation of scientific literacy in grade 4 are supported by human resource, class teacher, school principal, school resident, and parent of student, and school facility, school library books, and reading corner. And the last conclusion is the inhibiting factor for the implementation of scientific literacy in class 4 are not supported by some parents of students, and the lack of interest in reading student in class and outside the classroom. Next. This is my review reference from 3 journal. Maybe that just a review of my journal. Sorry if it's a lot of error. That's all. Thanks to you. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.